Come on, we gotta do this. Buddy, would you leave me alone? They're here. Okay. We got him. And tell Captain D and Dr. Fed. Okie dokie. We got him this time. Huh? What is this place? What the? What's going on? Looks like they're throwing a party. I gotta find it. We gotta get out of here. Where is it? Come on. Find a moment. Now I'm gonna. Excuse me, sir. Do you? Hi. I am Nigel. Nigel. I'm nice to meet you. And who are you? Oh, I am Danny D. Prime, also known as Danny Daniken Prime. The American Spies. Oh, you're the part of the Daniken family member. So you have a father. Yes, I do, but he. Nice to meet you. Well, I remember you. You were born at this years ago. Are you sure? Can you? You're in. What? I am? Oh, good. And from now on, you're gonna join me at this American Spies. Who's this? This is Nigel. He's my father's friend many years ago. Hi there, I'm Nigel. Oh yeah, Janie Shifwell. I remember you. You were a young child. You were born many years ago. You remember them, buddy. Oh, he drives me crazy. Don't be concerned, Daddy Prime. Brrr. He's just annoys me. Oh, what are you all guys doing here? We're here to come back for you. We got a problem situation. Hey, who said that? Who said that? Attention, please. Ladies and gentlemen, have the best musical of this year. Put your hands together for our favorite singer, Grayson. Ole!
I love you, Grayson.
Grayson? Who is a Grayson? Oh, he's from the American Spies. He's from the Spies of Georga. He was with us many years ago. What? He's a spy too? Oh, before we get under the sun, and wait! He has something to tell you. Hey there, Grayson. Nigel? Nigel, my man! I recognize you. Nice. I remember you. Yes, what the? Okay, come on, spies. Got to do this. Wait for me! Okay, what's it all about? Come on, Prime, come on! Listen, spies, we got to do this, but, citizens of Brazil, because Captain D. Pacho tries to kill the Woodpecker, and we're trying to save him, but we're just trying our best, and what are we waiting for? What? And does everybody else want to party?
What? No, we...
Yeah, party.
Racer, you're gonna make a fool of yourself. Oh, come on.
I say, I want the party.
Oh, I want the samba.
Oh, no. I want the party. I want to dance.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna say, I want the party. I want the samba. I want the party. I want the same me. Saw me. always on it. That's on. I can buy. On the side and on the side of the top, so my cabal, so the beat bomb by the side of the side. Always say, talking from Brazil, and the same, and the same, not pretending always. Hey, 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 my God. Hey, hey, hey. What's happening to me? Why am I dancing? Not to make me dance. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna me. And I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna go away. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Like a yeah. Hey. Oh. So what? What happened to the bug? What's going on? Oh no, this is bad. Oh my. Yeah. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Fedremboss the First and Captain D. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, that's right. Boo at him. Boo at him, yes. Go ahead and silence. These spies are coming with me. Well. What the? If it isn't Captain D. Pachamo's crashed at my party! And that guy too! In your little pirate dreams. Yeah, that was meant for you! Come on, can we just get all along? This isn't your fight! Naughty gone! Yeah, I call you naughty. If you mess up with my friends, then you mess with me! So I shall arrest you, you mini King Kong! Yeah, you monocini Drano, or should I say, mini King Kong? What's going on here? You're about to die! Yeah! Got Quick, spies, get to your battle stations! Take that, you evil villain man! Yeah! Ha! This have mercy. Now we got. Alright, little comedy. Ole! Full feet. Eat up. Shit! We gotta get out of here! Spies, follow me! We gotta get out of here! Come on! Hey, wait for me! Eddie. Hey, wait for me! Hold on tight, we're grabbing the rope! Yes, we're getting out of here! Come on! Hey, Nick! What is it, Judy? There! Come on, we got the pirates. Look! Arg! He's escaping! Come on, get up! Okay, you asked for it. Goodbye, guys. I'll remember you, and I'm going with them. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Go. Let's get back to Pearson Village and where we belong. Come on! Don't just stand there, you fools! Come on, go! Sinbad! Not today. Take that, Fedremboss. Target required. Take that, you funky villain. Come on, Nick. Hold on, guys. Come on, hold on. We made it. Thank you. Anytime. Wow, we have new spies. I hope the woodpeckers will be fine here.
Say, what's the next race is gonna be?
Mississippi? Or maybe, I think, Canada.
I'll be fine with that.
Meanwhile, I gotta think about it. But how? How am I gonna stop the villains? Do you want to talk about it, Judy Blues? Yes.